In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, look for the option that's labeled Apps and give it a click. This is your doorway to a whole host of functionalities that Wix offers, and it's where we begin our journey today. Next, you'll want to navigate to the App Market. This is essentially Wix's marketplace of apps that you can use to expand the capabilities of your site. What we're looking for here is the Sell Online section. Once you've found it, click Sell Online, and then, along that line, you'll notice an option for Online Courses. Click the Wix Online Programs option. This is specifically designed to help you create and sell online courses in a streamlined manner. Now, click Add to Site. This key step will integrate the necessary app into your current Wix site, allowing you to build and manage courses. Once you've added it, you'll need to be patient. There's a brief waiting period while the integration completes. But once it's all set up, you can start managing your programs. After the app is successfully added, you're ready to set out on the exciting task of managing your program. Click on Manage Program and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. This will guide you through the essential steps needed to set up your course efficiently. As you proceed, you will be prompted to select an online course from the available options. Here, you can see a variety of formats and structures, each designed to meet different needs and styles. Select the one that best suits your course's theme and teaching style. This is also the time to let your creativity shine by customizing the templates. Adjust the design and layout to reflect your brand and vision, ensuring both you and your future students find it engaging and fitting. Once you've tailored everything to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Publish. After all the hard work you've put in, this is an exciting moment. It's when your course officially becomes live and ready to be accessed by students. Congratulations! You've just completed the process of setting up an online course on Wix. This powerful platform, paired with its easily customizable options, allows you to effectively share your knowledge and engage with a wider audience. Remember, Wix is designed to accommodate growth, so as your course evolves, or if you create more content, you can always come back to the Manage Programs section and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your online course creation journey.